Good night, Professor. This is my video presentation. My positive quote. Subject is not final, failure is not fatal, it is the courage to continue that count. By Winston Churchill. Metropolitan University of Education, Sciences and Technology, Faculty of Construction, Technology and Environment, course name, Electrical Engineering Technician, Professor name, Bielka Ixel Cornejo Ardínez, Subject name, Special Tools, Unit name, Special Tool, Student name, Carlos Ruiz, Date March 20. Question this video. What can an electrician do if she doesn't have a special tool? An electrician must have the electric. If he does not have this type of special tools, he can use conventional ones, but he uses gloves and safety glasses for protection. Again is non-specific tools. Question number 2. What special tools in the video do you consider most helpful? Some special tools that I consider essential are insulated pliers, insulated star screen driver, insulated flaw screwdriver, leather, cable stripper of various calibers, voltage meter, Volmer of various scales. Question number 3. Why do power tools come with different attachments? Electric tools come with different gauges or accessories depending on the voltage in the which we are going to work. It also depends on the gauges of the cable. Another difference is for which method we are going to use the tools. Question number 4. What else my electrician keep in the 3 tools kit besides actual tools? Other essential tools of electrician are current meter, ground resistance tester, voltage tester, insulation tester, wiring tape, scotch tape. Question number 5. What are special power and electronic tools according with the category? Draw a brief chart with illustration. Electricity tools, insulation tester, circuit detector. Electronic tool, cautailer, Electronic Board Analyzer. Reading in English and do translation in Spanish, emphasis in the underlined words. Welcome to App Tools. App Tools have the best selection and lowest price on everything electricians need. We carry special tools such as conduit burners, level, fish tape, and stud punches. We also have the largest selection of alignment pliers on the internet. Be sure to check out power tools too. We have hubs and drills including hammer drills to go with 3 drills with special drill bits. We have the Tauges brand on the step drill bit and Mansory drill bit. We also sell electronic equipment for electricians. We have multimeter plug in the demonstration and layering machines. Translation. Bienvenidos a Herramientas App. App Herramientas tiene la mejor selección y los precios más bajos en todo lo que necesitan los electricistas. Disponemos de herramientas especiales como dobladores de conductores, niveles, pasacables y punzones. También tenemos la mayor selección de alicates de linieros e internet. Asegúrese de revisar nuestras herramientas de eléctricos. También disponemos de sierras, taladros, incluidos los taladros percutadores. Para acompañar a los taladros utilizamos brocas especiales. Tenemos las marcas más resistentes de brocas, escaladoras y brocas para mampostería. También vendemos equipos electrónicos para electricistas. Disponemos de multímetros, enchufes, de demostraciones y etiquetadoras. With graphics. Thank you.